Are you looking for a budget pool robot that doesn't break the bank? One that's battery powered and cord free? A robot that will clean up the leaves in the bottom of your pool? This might just be the robot for you. But let's do an honest review and find out. In this video, I'm going to explain its features, test it in the pool several times, and lastly, give you my honest opinions on it. If you want to purchase any of the products that's mentioned in this video, you can find links to them in the video description below. This is the Hydrus robotic pool robot that's designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools. It is battery operated and cordless. It runs for up to 85 minutes and charges in only 2.5 hours. It's made to pick up loose debris in the bottom of the floor of your pool, such as leaves, dirt, sand, bugs, and insects. So instead of having to net all the leaves at the bottom of your pool, this little guy will drive around and suck them up for you. It comes included with a hook that snaps onto your pool pole so you can snatch it out of the pool when it's finished. It comes pre-assembled in the box, and all you need to do is top off the battery charge. In order to turn it on for the pool, you'll press very hard and hold until you hear a constant sound or beep. When it's constantly beeping, then it's ready to go. You simply lower it into the pool and it will sink, and when it reaches the bottom, it will take off and start cleaning. It drives around very quickly, but even at that speed, it is eating up all the leaves that it drives over. It's really impressive. My kid loved to watch it zip around the pool. It doesn't appear to map the floor, but instead uses a sporadic pattern of zigzags and the long length of the cleaning time to eventually cover the entire pool floor. When it senses that it's touched a wall, it will turn back around and drive the other direction. When the battery is getting low, 10% or near exhaustion, it will stop itself on the side of the pool near the wall, so it's easier to retrieve with the pool hook. Inside, you'll find a stainless steel filter screen to resist corrosion and ensure long life. But all this sounds great unless it's really been tested and verified. So here's a time lapse of the pool robot driving around my pool both day and night. Oh, by the way, we better throw in some debris like bark, sand, and dirt to see how it cleans up in 1 hour. After 1 hour, the pool was noticeably cleaner, if not completely clean. But let's pull it out and see exactly what it picked up. It did a good job picking up the larger pieces of bark, which I was a little concerned about. It also picked up all the small pieces of dirt and sand, and I would say it performed better than I anticipated. Now for my final thoughts on this product. Will it replace my Dolphin corded electric pool robot? No, absolutely not, but it's more than 5 times cheaper than the corded robots. Will it scrub the walls like a Dolphin? No, it won't. Will it do 80% of the work cleaning the bottom of your pool so you don't have to do it by hand? Absolutely. Does it provide a lot of bang for the buck? I would like to think so. Will it last a long time? It's hard to know, but it does look like the design is fairly robust, and since you won't be leaving this in the pool for long periods of time, I think as long as you keep it out of the sun and out of the chlorine all week, it should last a decent amount of time, and it does come with a 2-year warranty. So while this may not become my main robot, it could be for you. If you want to spend less than $300 and take some of the manual labor out of your pool care, this could really help. I'll put a link in the video description below for the exact robot if you want to check it out. And don't forget to check out the other pool videos on my channel. We'll see you in the next video.